Hello dear one, welcome back to a Tai Chi Walking tutorial. I'm really excited for this tutorial. As always, we're going to start for beginners and then we are going to bring in some new moves that we haven't done before. And supposedly, if you do this move 1,000 times, you will become enlightened. So, it will take about 5 hours. We're not going to make all of that, but we're going to give you the tools so that if you want to become enlightened doing this move, you can do so. So it's a beautiful move called Loshi, aobu, and we're going to do that with our Tai Chi Walking. So, welcoming you, getting into some space so you can follow along, and let us meet together here, feet together, hands by the side. And just quickly before we begin, if you enjoy moving with me, we've got a whole online academy where you can get even deeper, and we have a free 4-week course. So the link is in the description if you want to learn more. Beautiful. So let's take a breath here, breathing in, down into the belly, and a breathing out. Our Tai Chi salute, fist with the right hand, palm over with the left, a bow, acknowledging yourself for showing up for your practice. Breathing in, left hand picks up the left leg, breathing out into Qigong standing. And let's go for a Tai Chi walk. So, Tai Chi walking is moving firstly from heel to toe, and there's a very subtle rock so that the last toe to land is the big toe. So we're landing on the heel, bringing the weight forwards, lifting the other foot, and landing. Now you're trusting your feet, you're not looking down, your gaze is relaxed and forwards. And this is a moving meditation, bringing awareness down into your feet. And we can try backwards, toes, then heels, toes, then heels. Tai Chi walking, a beautiful way to develop your balance, your ease, your grace. Beautiful. Looking great, well done. So, we're going to move into the basics of our main move for today. So, instead of having your foot straight, have it as a 45-degree angle. Then you can pick up the foot. And just for our balance training, you can hold your foot like this and then land. So the landing at a 45-degree angle, lifting, landing, 45-degree angle, lifting, 45-degree angle, lift, 45. Lift. Maybe even trying that backwards. Working on your balance, landing, 45, lift, 45, lift. Great, and just noticing if there's any thinking going on, this is too hard for me, I can't do it. Or distraction. Can you see this is a moving meditation to surrender the thinking mind's habitual judgment of the present moment. Now let's land here in our lunge step. This is eventually where we're going to be getting with Loshi aobu, which is the move that we are working on today. So I'll show you the move and then we're going to break it down. So I pivot on the heel, I step back, I prepare, and I push. Do a little step, open, push. Great, so let's break it down. So I'm going to be facing the same way as you, so you can follow along. So we've got the left foot forward, and the right foot is at a 45-degree angle. Then we're going to bring the weight forward and do a little step, bringing the weight back into the right, and then pivoting the heel, bringing the weight onto the left, and then lunging step. Weight forwards, little step, pivoting the heel, lunge, weight forward, little step, pivoting the heel, lunge, weight forward, little step, pivoting the heel, lunge. Beautiful. Now turning around. We're going to do the same thing in the other direction. Weight forward, little step, pivoting the heel, lunge. Weight forward, little step, pivoting the heel, lunge. Weight forward, little step, pivoting the heel, lunge. Great. So that is the basic move. And now let's just spend some time beginning to get that. So relaxing the shoulders, seeing if you can still follow me if you want, but beginning to take this for a Tai Chi walk. Just pivoting and then stepping out, and seeing if you can relax your body as you do so. Beautiful, another 20 seconds of playing with that, and then we'll move on to the next stage. Great. So, our next move, this is where the hands are going to be now. So this hand is pushing the energy coming from the spiral. See, do that with me. And then this hand is brushing away a knee. So it's protecting your lower body. So this hand is the attack, this hand is the defense. Tai Chi comes from the martial art culture. Great. So this is where we're going to land at the end of each move. Now let's try weight forward, little step, open up the heel. And now we're going to pause by preparing here. We're preparing. So one palm at the back facing up, one palm facing down, one closer to you. Then lunge and push and brush. Now don't worry, you can repeat this video. There's quite a lot going on. Now let me remind you that everything in Tai Chi is circles, circles. So let's get in this position again where you can be behind me and we'll follow together. So we've got our left foot forward, and our left hand is brushing and protecting, and then our right hand is the push. Great, so weight forward, little step, open up the heel, and let's pause here. So you're looking at your own hand, that back hand is facing up. Great, then we're lunging, stepping. Great, little step, open up, prepare, pause, look at your own hand. And lunge, push. Little step. Weight onto the back. Open up the heel, prepare, pause. Lunge. Little step. Prepare. Lunge. Little step. Prepare. Lunge. Great, so getting back into some space. I'll try it from the side now for you. And remember, if you do this 1,000 times, you become enlightened. So we're just, doing 50, 100. Yeah. All right, little step. Open, prepare, lunge. Now see if you can get this circular. See this hand, it was here, circle, comes here, circle continues. And then, it then circles down to then become the brush. It circles back to prepare, pushes, and then it circles down to become the brush. Great. Okay. push. Little step, pivot. So that is Loshi aobu, a beautiful Tai Chi walking move. Keep coming back to this video and you'll get it. It does take some time to really get that coordination, but once you've got it, go out into a park, do it 1,000 times and you become enlightened. Let me know in the comments down below if that works for you. All the blessings for your practice. Balance is possible for you, for me, for humanity. Have a beautiful, chi-ful day.